How to remove the background in any video using Capcut PC. Open your Capcut, import the video file, and drag and drop your video onto the timeline. To duplicate the video file, press copy and paste on your keyboard, then slide the duplicated file to the first frame. And let's hide the first track since we will be using it later on. To remove the background of the video, click on the video and go to the video tab, then select cut out. Look for auto cut out below and click it. It will automatically remove the background. Now the background has been removed. Let's name this one subject video. Let's try adding some overlays behind our subject. Drag and drop the overlays below our subject in the timeline. Nice. Let's adjust the size and rotate them. As you can see, the overlays are blocking our subject. To fix this, all we have to do is click the subject video, go to video tab, then basic, and change the layer to number 2. So our subject will be displayed in front of our overlays. Now, let's unhide the first track to see the full effect. If you want to add a background video, simply drag and drop the background video below the overlay. By default, it will be displayed in front of our subject. To make adjustments, follow the same process earlier. But this time, let's change the layer to number 1, which will move it to the back, and our subject will automatically change to layer number 3, which will be at the front. It's a bit confusing, right? But to understand the layering better, just imagine that there are numbers beside our timeline. The higher the number, the more front the element will be, and the lower the number, the further it will be at the back. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like, follow, and comment below. And if you are looking for a video editor, send me a DM, and I'll see you in my inbox.